Hey there. So behind me is our new playhouse that I just got done building. I'm looking to add these solar wall lights onto it. I want to add a little bit of lighting to it. We don't have power to this building, so we're going to use the sun's energy to help power the way. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that's included with these lights and how easy they are to get installed. So here's everything included with these wall lights. We've got the hanging brackets, hardware instructions. We've got the lights themselves. They come pre-installed with an LED bulb. We've got a little threaded insert there and a ring that latches onto the top. Here's a closer look at the fixture itself. It's got 4 panes of glass. It's got plastic construction on the housing here. Feels nice and durable. And then you've got the 4 solar panels on each light. So plenty of area to collect the sun's energy. And you can see here on the bottom, we've got the mirror finish that just kind of helps expand the area that's being illuminated. The light bounces off of it. So it's very easy to get this all installed and set up. Just thread the insert there. We take the loop. We just screw it on top here. And the cap of these lights, simply with about 1/8 of a turn, comes unlatched there. You can see you've got essentially these little mounts and inserts here that fit together. And then there's an on-off switch in here. So I think in normal use, we'll just keep that on, because when it's light out, these have a sensor to stay off. And then when it's dark out, these will turn on their own. And these really have a flawless finish to them. They have a nice kind of black matte finish, uniform across, no scratches, dings, or dents. So we've got a little covered porch here on the front of the playhouse, and we're going to mount these 2 lights on both sides of the porch here, just to give a little illumination, so if anyone's coming out here in the dark, they can find their way onto the porch. So with our location here, this wall is facing south, so it's going to get plenty of sunlight. It is somewhat shaded just with the overhang of the roof there, but it's still going to see plenty of sunlight in order to get these things powered up for nighttime. All right, I'll go ahead and get the bracket installed here using the provided screws. So I'll be drilling or screwing right into solid wood here. Hanging these hooks is a breeze, literally just 2 screws. And I'll be screwing into solid wood here. And I like the way that they are truly hanging here, so they can kind of float about. The breeze can sway them a bit, kind of gives it a nice old-fashioned look there. And these lights are designed to withstand pretty extreme weather elements, moisture, whether it's rain, snow, ice, super cold temperatures, really hot temperatures. So here in Michigan, not going to have any issue leaving these out year-round. And as far as size goes, these are about 7 to 8 inches in height. And then the cap is pretty much 5.5 inches there. It's a square cap. So these really aren't huge, but they're not super tiny either. And I feel like for our application here, they're a perfect size. And we've had these lights pretty much sitting out in sunlight all day. Here we are in the pitch black of night, and we've got our 2 solar lamps shining nice and bright, lighting up the porch enough to where we can actually see where we're going. So these work very well. We've been using them now for a few days, and they're still on even in the morning. So they're lasting all night for us. Highly recommend these if you're looking to add some easy lighting without needing to run any electrical wires, just using the sun's energy.